So, this is my poem called Ambition, and apologies for the beard. I want to score that goal. I want to reach the pole. I want to write that song like Noel. I'm going to walk again. I'll finally help my friend. I'll see it to the end. She made it through Sunday. Eyelids moved on Monday. She woke on the Tuesday, smiling on Wednesday. On Thursday she'll know me, and Friday I'll ask her about Saturday night. Because struggle is the same as hope, and motivation can help you cope, almost like a welcome coat. Or saying, we're going to need a bigger boat. Or, there are several parts I'd like to play. I didn't get where I am today. Because we need some sort of ambition, or a bit of contrition, a certain amount of internal ammunition that feeds the furnace, that fuels the fire, that surges through our veins and our arteries, on our one-way street through a soggy field, hopefully not wheat. Or a wood through the trees that sees you bend at the knees, which eventually becomes the honey made by worker bees, the final flag at Monaco or Monza, Beecher's Brook, the Hawaiian Ironman triathlon, Centre Court, the 18th Green, the London Palladium. And not just for ourselves, but what an ambitious list we could make. World peace, a healthy planet, a loo that flushes, a heart that works, a kitten, a puppy, a safe hedgehog, a night's sleep, a cottage by the sea, a plastic-free anemone. Make the sun shine on belief, steer a ship away from reef. Get yourself a set of teeth. Be the tree and not the leaf. In all the universes and galaxies where time is stretched like an elastic band, where suns meet planets in opposition, and black holes suck all that is matter into their void, there, in the farthest reaches of the seeable, knowable cosmos, is Galileo, looking into his telescope with ambition, is Pele, Marie Curie, Louis Pasteur, Hypatia, Mariam Mirzakhani, Mahatma Gandhi, Barack Obama and Michelle, Ernest Shackleton, Kobe Bryant, Tanny Gray Thompson, Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King, Dr. Shirley Jackson, Charles Drew, and perhaps insert your name. You.